So I'm here at Cable Car Museum in San Francisco, and I'm going to have a wander inside and have a look at it. So here we go. Let's see what we've got in here. I'm going to have a look down here first. I don't know what's downstairs. We've got a lot of actual pictures and drawings and that here. So it's showing you there the old times, and it's showing you there, look how the actual cable grips the track. So let's just go here and have a look at the cable systems. I think these are actually pulling the cable cars today. Let's have another look here. So, like I say, them big wheels and all the cables there are pulling the cable cars up and down the road. Absolutely amazing what you can do. And there's a picture of a cable car, and it's showing you there the line and the cable pulling it. So it is very, very noisy in here, and I'm going to go up these stairs now, and I'm going to have a look now what's happening up here. So there's loads of different machinery and everything. This must be like the workshop area where all the mechanics are doing all the repairs and whatever they've got to do. They've got benches, vices, lathes, presses, saws. They've got absolutely everything here. And we'll have a look now here at the big wheels. And look at them, they're actually, as I say, driving the cable cars. So you can't believe that them massive wheels and them cables are pulling them. And if you have a look, it does tell you there. So along that girder, it starts off with Hyde, California, Mason and Powell. So they've got 4 wheels and 4 different cable car tracks all in action there. Let's go and have another look around here. So here now we've got a cable car. That's just showing you the design, the screw steering wheel and the brake. We've got all sorts of different tools here that they must use on the job. Nail pullers, adjustable compasses, brush and pan sets. They've got everything in there. And we've got wheels, and it shows you here how the cable grips with that lever on there. So if you read that, it's telling you how the cable, as you clamp it on, actually grips, and that's the product that hangs under the cable car, holding onto the line. Car track there, so that's one of the wheel assemblies. That's really, really good. Got an absolutely lovely shop here in Cable Car Museum. So they've got all the souvenirs that you need of the cable cars. We've got a roll of the steel there that pulls the cars. That must be really, really heavy. Look how thick it is. And then here we've got some old cable cars. Let's just have a look. Have a look at that. Beautiful. I don't know how old it is. This is 1881. If you have a look at the sign on there, that's quite an old unit. And then if I'm looking here, we've got all different old pictures of San Francisco and the cable cars. 2 models there of them. We've got a stop sign, a red light stop sign there. And look at that tram. So let's just have a look up here now and see what we've got here. We've got all different models, all different things again there. Different models and different styles of cable cars. And a wall here absolutely full of information. Let's have a look here now at what's going on over the wall here. So again, you've got all the wheels and all the rollers and stands and everything there. And like I say, they are pulling the cable cars on all these full track, 4 track. This isn't just a museum, this is actually a working engineering site for the cable cars. Look at the rollers there, how the cables are rolling through there. So you can't think all the cable cars running now in San Francisco are being pulled by these massive motors and these huge thick cables here in Cable Car Museum. It's absolutely fantastic thing to come in and see. So as I say, there's another old cable car. I am going to start heading out now. Thought there might have been a little bit more in here, but I'm still glad I have come in and had a look. It's been well worth it. So you could spend a good time in here if you wanted to. If you want to come in and read every single notice that there is in the museum, you would be in here for a real good time. So what I'll do now, I'll ring Darryl and I'll tell him come back round and pick me up again today. Let's just have another look here at all these drive gears and wheels. I suppose the size of the wheels and how it goes round the wheel must give it the actual power to pull them up the street. And them motors, if you have a look at them, they're absolutely massive. So they must be so powerful. It must be unbelievable what they can achieve. So there you are. There's the Cable Car Museum. Wanted to come in here now for quite a while, but never really got the time. But now it's ticked off the list. So let's just have a final look around all this area before I call Darryl and tell him fetch me. And here's Darryl. That's amazing timing. He's coming down and I'm going to jump in the car now.